Others also, the inhabitants of planets known as Kimpurusas, made the demon Maya into a calf, and they milked out mystic powers by which one can disappear immediately from another's vision and appear again in a different form. It is said that the inhabitants of Kimpurusas can perform many wonderful mystic demonstrations. In other words, they can exhibit as many wonderful things as one can imagine. The inhabitants of this planet can do whatever they like, or whatever they imagine. Such powers are also mystic powers. The possession of such mystic power is called Ishita. The demons generally learn such mystic powers by the practice of yoga. In the Dashamaskanda, the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagwatam, there is a vivid description of how the demons appear before Krishna and his cowherd boyfriends as a gigantic crane. While present on this planet, Lord Krishna had to fight with many demons who could exhibit the wonderful mystic powers of Kimpurusas. Although the inhabitants of Kimpurusas are naturally endowed with such powers, one can attain these powers on this planet by performing different yogic practices.